You are watching Tech Now. A unique helmet has been invented in South Korea that has never been seen before. The designers believe it is so small that it can fit in a purse and transform in 10 seconds. The helmet resembles origami and is made of polystyrene foam and thermoplastic, making it both light and comfortable, weighing only 15 ounces. This device has already been certified as safe locally and has received recognition and awards in several design competitions. Currently, there is no information on its cost or availability. This next clip is about a new VR headset that has received recognition at the 2023 CES Awards. The headset is compact, conforms to the user, and has adjustable features to accommodate those with bad eyesight. It is equipped with a powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon XR2 processor, 12 GB of RAM, and high-resolution display. The headset comes with 2 controllers and has a price tag of just $1,100. Many parts of Europe faced extreme heat conditions during the summer of 2022, particularly in countries such as Portugal, Germany, and the United Kingdom. In light of this, a new universal air conditioner has been introduced that has gained popularity due to its impressive features. For just $200, the AC can cool up to 2,470 cubic feet per hour and can be used both indoors and outdoors, making it easy to transport at only 22 pounds. In addition, it provides up to 6 hours of cooling on a single charge and offers several other useful features, including a power bank, Bluetooth speaker, mosquito repellent, and a flashlight all in one. Next up, we present to you the world's smallest power bank. Designed in Switzerland, it's compact enough to be used as a keychain and weighs a mere 1.4 ounces, about the size of a car key fob. Despite its small size, the power bank boasts a capacity of 1,400 milliamp hours, enough to recharge an iPhone 13 Pro up to 50%. The package includes USB-C lighting and micro USB cables and a convenient docking station to make charging the power bank a breeze. Whether you're at home or on the go, the power bank offers a practical alternative to your regular charger, and it comes at a reasonable price of just $29. The design of this multi-tool challenges the notion that a tool must be cumbersome. The team behind it created a compact device measuring just 2.3 inches when folded that packs a punch with a knife, screwdriver, whistle, belt cutter, and tritium tube slot. The knife blade is made from VG10 steel, a durable Japanese material, while the body is crafted from medical-grade titanium alloy. Weighing only 1.4 ounces, this multi-tool is both practical and stylish. GoPro has been a popular brand for action cameras, selling over 30 million units by 2018. There is no shortage of accessories for these cameras available on the market, including a giant dart-shaped container, used as a unique alternative to drones. Simply insert your camera into the foam-lined head and throw it to capture cool video footage from up to 98 feet away. This product is compatible with various models of GoPro Hero cameras from version 3 Plus to 11. If you're looking for something a bit more adventurous, there's also a model available for smartphones, priced at $75. This next product combines 2 ancient tools, chopsticks and nunchucks. all in one. The chopsticks made of titanium transform into nunchucks, providing not only a comfortable eating experience, but also a way to enhance one's ki energy. At 4.3 inches when folded and 7.7 inches when unfolded. The chopsticks are also eco-friendly, as they reduce the number of trees cut down to make wooden chopsticks. You can purchase a pair for $40. This digital version of a typewriter has become a popular item among people who don't necessarily fit the typical mold of collectors, enthusiasts, or tech geeks. Despite its relatively steep price tag of $500, it's received positive feedback. This device offers a full-size mechanical keyboard and an e-ink display, like that of an e-reader, with support for over 30 languages, and an integration with cloud platforms such as Google Drive. It can also be used as a standalone device, with enough memory for up to 1 million pages and a battery life of 4 weeks. With a weight of only 1.6 pounds, it's convenient to bring with you on the go. Moreover, the absence of social media, email, browsers, and other distractions make it easier to concentrate fully on your work. This multi-tool is designed to be useful not only while camping or fishing, but also in everyday life. It includes a fire starter, a device that emits a distress signal, a device to prevent getting lost in the dark, and tools to fix furniture or a bicycle. This multi-tool also has a laser rangefinder, making it stand out from other similar tools. Despite its numerous features, it remains pocket-sized at 4.8 by 2.5 inches and only weighs 8 ounces. The cost of this multi-tool is $179. In 2020, users spent over 1 billion hours watching content on Twitch, and the platform generated over $80 million in donations. There are also platforms like YouTube, where you can earn money if you have the skills and the hardware. To make the most out of these platforms, you need the right hardware, like a controller. This controller helps you adjust sound, send messages to social media, switch between windows, and perform other tasks live in real time. The 15 keys on the controller are mini displays, and you can customize individual keys or combinations for specific tasks. The controller is lightweight, weighing only 7 ounces, and has a special stand for comfortable viewing. You can buy it for $126. While you take a break from creating and streaming your cool content, why not do so while enjoying the warmth of a fireplace? This portable fireplace is designed with inspiration from the Japanese concept of wabi-sabi, which emphasizes the appreciation of simple and modest beauty in everyday things. It operates using isopropyl alcohol and can last for up to 50 minutes with just 5 ounces of fuel. The compact fireplace is made of durable cement, making it a great long-term investment. Despite the numerous high-tech gadgets available, cables are still a necessary aspect for charging devices, connecting them to screens, and other functions. However, the mess of cables can be an eyesore, especially when there's no place to store them. This problem can be resolved with a cable management system that allows cables to be tucked away under the desk and out of sight. The system uses adhesive to securely fasten all types of cables, and with some practice, you can easily access the cables you need without having to search for them. This kit, which includes 2 small clips, a large base, and a cleaning wipe, is priced at just $13. The combination of dice and roulette creates a new kind of device called Roulette Dice. This device is perfect for board gaming enthusiasts who often need to roll multiple dice at once. Instead of having a cluttered table filled with cards, tokens, and dice, Roulette Dice provides a convenient solution by combining different types of dice in one compact design. You can choose from D4, D6, D8, D10, D12, D20, and D percentile dice, or even request a customized version for specific games. Made of durable zinc alloy, Roulette Dice comes with an optional carrying case. This handy device is priced at $39. According to a study, France, Germany, and the Netherlands are the top 3 European countries with the most campsites, comprising 60% of all campsites in the EU. Campers from these countries would benefit from a tool that costs only $11 and includes 10 essential tools such as a knife, scissors, a can opener, and even a SIM card tray pin. The tool is made from ABS plastic and stainless steel, measures 3 by 0.8 inches when closed, and comes in 5 different colors.